The 2025 Toyota 4Runner has finally arrived after a 15-year hiatus, and it's nothing short of a game-changer. This isn't just a facelift, it's a full reinvention, combining the legendary off-road power fans know and love with the modern features today's drivers expect. The new 4Runner is built to tackle any challenge, on or off the road. One of the biggest changes is under the hood. Toyota has replaced the old V6 engine with a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder. This engine delivers 278 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smoother performance. Whether you're tackling tough trails or navigating city streets, this powertrain strikes the right balance between power and efficiency. Inside, the 2025 4Runner blends ruggedness with high-tech features. The base model comes with an 8-inch touchscreen, but higher trims feature a massive 14-inch display. Additionally, there's a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that makes it easier than ever to track important vehicle stats and navigation. These tech upgrades make the 4Runner's cabin more modern while still maintaining its tough exterior. Toyota also includes a range of convenience features, including wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and their smart key system. These additions make the 4Runner just as practical for daily driving as it is for weekend adventures. Whether you're commuting or off-roading, the 4Runner ensures you're connected and ready for anything. While the 2025 model is packed with modern tech, it stays true to its legacy. The 4Runner's rugged design, with its iconic rear swing gate and elevated ground clearance, remains intact. It's still built for tough conditions, but with the added benefit of improved fuel efficiency and power from the hybrid engine. So, is the 2025 Toyota 4Runner worth the wait? Absolutely. With hybrid performance, advanced technology, and the same legendary off-road capability, this is the ultimate adventure vehicle. Whether you've been a fan for years or are just discovering the 4Runner, this new model proves that it's back and better than ever. The wait is over, and Toyota has delivered an SUV that's ready for anything.